Hi, I'm Kristen from HubSpot, and today I'm going to show you how to get started with YouTube advertising. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Post any questions or suggestions you have in the comments below. Let's get started. Great content is bound to be found, but it's also important to be proactive about gaining the attention of your prospects and those unfamiliar with your brand. Running a series of YouTube ads is one way to make sure more of your target audience finds the video content you've worked hard to produce. First off, let's take a look at 3 types of ads you can run on YouTube. The first is True View ads. True View ads are the standard video type on YouTube. Advertisers only pay for True View ads when viewers watch or interact with their ad, and videos can be easily customized to share a variety of content. There are 2 types of True View ads with which you can optimize your YouTube channel. Video discovery ads, which were previously called in-display ads, show up on the YouTube homepage, search results page, and as related videos on YouTube video watch pages. Once a user clicks on the ad, the destination video page features a spot on the right-hand column where a companion banner display ad will appear. The second type of True View ads are in-stream. True View in-stream ads play before someone watches the video they've selected on YouTube. Viewers sometimes have the option to skip the ad after watching it for 5 seconds. In-stream ads let marketers customize video ads with different CTAs and overlay text. True View video campaigns can include people, dialogue, and music that was retrieved with permission or is royalty-free. However, it's best not to run a standard promotional commercial. Because these videos can be skipped, you need to give your audience a reason to keep watching, but product plugs historically don't get the views you might expect. Instead, tell a story with the time you have in this video. People love seeing case studies of those who faced a struggle that they can empathize with. It's a source of entertainment that makes your brand memorable and less tempting to skip. The second type of YouTube ad we'll look at today are pre-roll ads. These in-stream ads are non-skippable and can play before, mid-roll, or after the main video. They can be 15 to 20 seconds in duration. Pre-roll ads give you just as much freedom as True View ads in their allotted content. You can include people, dialogue, audio, and more elements that you find best represent your brand in 15 to 20 seconds. Because pre-roll ads can't be skipped, these videos are best created with a call to action, so you can optimize the attention you do have from the viewer. In other words, encourage viewers to click on your ad and receive something in return. Keep in mind that YouTube sells pre-roll video space on a pay-per-click basis. Make the click worth it. The final type of ad we'll look at today are bumper ads. Bumpers are the third and shortest type of YouTube video ad available to you. At just 6 seconds per bumper, these ad spots play before a viewer's chosen video. It can be tricky to tell a story that sticks with your audience in just 6 seconds, but it's not impossible. Bumper ads also make terrific complements to a larger video campaign on a new product launch or event. Just be sure to use this 6 seconds wisely and include only the components of your brand that you want your audience to remember. Launching a video ad campaign is a great step, but there are some things you should set up prior to purchasing an ad to make the most of your budget and to see the highest return for your budget. Most importantly, you need to define your metrics and goals. When analyzing the results, there are a number of key performance metrics you can track for each video. After you link your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account, you'll be able to access these metrics in the Reporting tab of your Google Ads account. The first key performance metric is impressions. Impressions tell you how many times your ad was shown to a potential customer. This can be a valuable metric to track if you're interested in increasing brand awareness among your target audience. The second metric is views. When someone watches at least 30 seconds of your ad, or the entire ad if it's longer than 30 seconds, YouTube counts it as a view. Closely related to views is the view rate metric. View rate represents your total ad views divided by impressions. In other words, it's the total number of people who watched your ad when it was served to them. This metric is a solid indicator of whether or not you're reaching the right audience. Next is the cost per view metric, also called CPV. Your CPV is how much you spend every time someone watches your video. Keep in mind that with the bidding system in Google Ads, you can control and adjust your bid at any time. Another metric to consider is earned actions. Subscriptions, likes, and other actions that indicate interest in your ad are all considered earned actions. This metric can help you determine how deeply your audience is engaging with your ads and, on a higher level, your brand. Next is video viewership. This differs from the standard views metric because you can get more specific insights to how long people are sticking around to watch your video. For example, if you notice most viewers are only watching 25% of your video, this is a pretty good indicator that you need to revise your video at the 25% mark. Finally, you could also consider tracking call to action overlays. These buttons can be placed at different points in your video to drive traffic to a landing page or back to your website. After you place them, you can track how often these call to action buttons are clicked. Depending on the goals for the brand, you should determine a few goals based on these metrics and formalize a plan for optimizing creative and trying different targeting criteria to improve results. Your goals should also determine the type of content you will feature in the ad. Some metrics are better for branding goals and others will drive leads and conversions. Looking for more help with your YouTube strategy? Click the link above to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe. Let me know how you're doing in the comments below.